about strength.
Come on, Tommy, see if you can get the ball. The quarterback should never lose the ball.
Back to throw. He looks, he throws, he completes, takes it down to the 10. Yeah!
This is a big moment for Tom Brady. The most important game of his life.
This is it. It's 10 seconds on the clock. It all comes down to this. But to me, it's looking like a lost cause. You know, Brady has repeatedly failed to deliver when we've lost the victory.
Johnson, wait!
Here we go. Let's play in the pocket.
He's looking for the pass.
The clock is down to 4.
Run up!
Brady in trouble.
Brady's performance last night, that's something you see once in a lifetime.
How did he pull that off? We witnessed last night was clearly the greatest comeback in all of sports.
I mean, he just wins games. He's got the rings. What more does he have to prove?
Hippos.
Mom, we're bored.
Of course you're bored. You're playing board games. Play. The goal of the game is to complete the cheese wheel 3 times and become the cheesemonger.
Let's fun do this!
Yeah!
On your turn, roll the dice and see how the cheese lands.
This cheese is great.
I'm just trying to be cool like you guys, huh?
Dad, that was pretty sharp.
Cheese puns!
You can even play with peasants.
Cheese sub, may I have some more?
This isn't Uno. It's Uno Showdown, the game where players go head-to-head in a quick draw showdown. As the lights count down, who will be the fastest? It's the card shooting smackdown where anyone can win. Uno Showdown, the game.
The Aspire Junior Plus is a premium club set for young golfers. It's available in 5 different age groups and 6 different colors. In addition, the club heads are constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, making them larger and easier to hit, yet still very light and easy to swing. By offering best fit clubs, the Junior Plus helps ensure a positive experience for young golfers.
Dinner's ready. Good food is one of the best ways to bring the family together. Even get a free holiday ham when you order during the holidays. Order from Good Ranchers today and get a free holiday ham.
Getting in a decent workout these days can be, difficult. Especially when you have a family that has to stay at home every day. Oh, that looks so good, honey. And kids' classes.
I finished with my homework. My turn?
Your turn. Push-up contest, go!
Yeah!
Just want more energy to spend with your loved ones? Blue Titan On Demand was built to help you become who you want to be. So sign up today. Click the link to start your fitness journey with Blue Titan On Demand. All right, go team! Woo! Let's go!
That's why Weekend Warriors use Scrub Blade. Blade is 12 times more effective at removing debris than competing wiper blade. Your kids. You're gonna want to see where you're going. So get the Scrub Blade. It's the wiper blade you never knew you needed.
Dinner's ready.
And just had a real baby, Zoe. Tasha loves showing off her babies and they both share on social media.
We absolutely love hosting family dinners at our house.
But with all the recent additions, you could say we were a little...
Affordable, easy-to-use mass file storage right in your hands that lets you share files with friends, family, and coworkers, which is a good thing for Tasha, Matt, Zoe, and Chloe, and their new YouTube channel vlog.
How y'all doing?
Our dad just died. How do you think we're doing?
I'm sorry.
Everybody's sorry, and it don't make no difference.